What's up, YouTubers? You ever wonder how to use Pop Price Guide? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use it. Alright guys, before I get started with this video, what I need you guys to do is do me one solid favor, and just go ahead and hit that subscribe and bell icon, because both of those will keep you up to date on everything that is happening with the channel, especially on Mondays when it's Funko Pop Mondays. Anyways, before I get to showing you how to use Pop Price Guide, known as PPG, I'm going to tell you a few other things, like foremost the protectors that I use on my pops. I have three different ones. I have the hard shell case, which is the two up there with the I guess you say the chase and the bungee one, and then the ones that are set by my head, these have got two different styles as well. The hard cases, those are mainly the ones I put my more expensive ones in to protect those more, because if they fall off or something, that'll protect them more. You know, I think the Osiris one is about around 60 something, which you will see all this here shortly once I run down everything with the Pop Price Guide and everything like that. And then these guys right here, I keep pointing the wrong thing. These are like the flimsier ones, but there's one that I bought not too long ago that's a cheaper one, and I don't like the way those are built, but I like the ones that I think. The Sarah Ryder one, I think she's in the one that I like. Let me grab her real quick. We do. She's got the good one. This doesn't have like the clips or anything on it, which is super cool. At some point, I might take her out because she's only $5. She's not super a whole lot, you know. Let's go ahead and get rocking into this particular part of the video, the Pop Price Guide, so that you guys can see how it's doing and what to do and how to navigate through everything. I'm not showing you a pop today. I figured I'd take a break from showing you a pop and show you something informative and something that can help you out with your pop collection. So let's go ahead and get to the computer and let's go ahead and get this going. Alright guys, I figured I would shoot you a different kind of video on Funko Pop Mondays, and this video I'm going to be showing you everything on how to use the Funko Pop Price Guide. Well, it's not necessarily by Funko Pop, but it's a Pop Price Guide. It's something that a lot of collectors out there use to keep track of their Funko Pops, and which is super cool. So I'm gonna run down everything about this particular website, and I will be doing the same thing with Stashpedia. So if you guys don't use Pop Price Guide, and the ones that use Stashpedia, I'll be able to navigate through that for you as well. So the first page as you come to, you'll see the Pop Price Guide logo with their little banner here for the easy to build shelves. Then you got Pop in the Box, and you got like the news feeds. You got all kind of cool stuff here that will let you know when updates is going to be super cool. And then they got this new eBay user interface, which is really cool. So then the home, you got the facts about us, the contact, which all this right here will give you information you need to know about the Pop Price Guide. The Price Guide, which is a newly added guide, so you'll be able to tap into this and see what pops are cool and which ones you want to get to. The collection tracker is basically the tracker that keeps track of all your Funko Pops. And as you can tell right here, I got over 50 items, and the total is $694. Here, as you can see, my 8-bit pops. I used to have a few of them, but I traded them to a friend of mine, Steve, for a few other pops. And right here, you can see to the right, you can see the top 10 list of all my pops. And then right at the top, you can change the view to thumbnail view, or you can change the view to this particular view right here, the list view. Then you can also change it to that view, which is, I like that view. I like this cool view. This is a cool looking view right here. So I'm going to keep it with that view right there. That's super cool. Then right here down to the left, you have the link where you can share it with anybody, that friends, family, or whoever wants to see your pop price. Or you can do like me, I'll put it in my YouTube video and let you guys click on the link, so it'll take you to the Pop Price Guide and cool stuff for that. So definitely look for this particular link that's going to be down in the description below, so that you can find this particular part of it. And then you can share it with your friends on Facebook. You can share it with people on Twitter. The want list is basically what it is that it's something that you want. Right here, as you can see, I want the Crow to glow in the dark one, which is the chase version, which is going to be harder to find and a lot more expensive. Then I also want the John Diggle one, which is, he's $31, which I want this guy. I got a lot of the Green Arrow series pops, but I want that one. So we're going to ahead and get rid of the particular Crota one, because I don't want that one no more. Settings, obviously it's the settings to everything that you want to see. I got all my collections privacy on private, unless I like give you the the link and stuff. Include sales and collection totals. So this is really cool. I like the way this looks. List with thumbnails, list with text, image grid. So default display, which I'll go to do that. And then we have the marketplace, where you can go here to a community of people that are selling pop figures, which Marvel or DC heroes. Let's hop on over here in DC heroes. Let's see if I can find John Diggle. See if anybody's selling John Diggle for me. There we go. He's 30 bucks, which is super cool because he's 31. So really, I would be only making $1 once I get him. So I may tap into this and try to get him at some point in the near future. So let's go ahead and hit this back screen here. Let's go backwards. And the community, which is obviously the Facebook, and if you, I definitely put in my answers and see if they've allowed me into it. I'm not too sure, which is be super dope. They're coming soon. I guess it's a Funko Pops that are coming soon, which is wow, Roadrunner, Wile E. Coyote, super cool. That gives you all the stuff that's coming out real soon. David D. Gia, football, well, soccer. David Lewis, soccer, football. Super cool. I like this. This gives me an idea of when all these pops are coming out. So cool. We'll definitely be checking more of this out. Alright, and protectors. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I got 3 different types of protectors, and this one that you see here is the one that I don't like. This is the one that's got the little closing tab on it, which sucks. And then also, if this is also like the ones that I've got, they got some kind of plastic wrap around it where you have to take it off. It's so stupid to have a plastic wrap when it's, Easy peel protective film that keeps the pop shell from getting scratched before it gets to you. That is so stupid. I hate that. That's like I hate that part of it. And the profile, obviously, you click on it, it takes you to your profile information, which I'm not going to click on that because of the profile information that you could possibly get. Facebook, Twitter, and then Reddit. Super cool. And then you got all the links right here to all the cool stuff. Freddy Box, home of the Funko Pop Mystery Box. Super cool. But as you can see, it shows you everything here. And then let's go to the home page. Let's see if it shows you price guide. But anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you out with everything, showing the guide through on how to get through the pop price guide and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that big fat thumbs up, and then as well subscribe and like and notification. Before I end the video, what I want to know from you guys, who or what is your favorite Funko Pop character if you're a Funko Pop collector? And also, if you use Stash Peter Pop Price Guide, let me know which one you use and drop that down in the comments below as well. So we'll definitely be seeing you guys later. I love you guys. Rock out. Peace.